In the beginning of my business, I didn't use contract, and I never had an issue until this one particular client got me out of a good $600. So basically she hired me to rewrite her entire website, which was back then was like 18 pages. So I gave her an outline of what I wanted to change. I gave her a timeline of 3 weeks. In that time, I am steadily sending her pages as I finish. Fast forward, she receives all the drafts. I reach out to her to ask her, you know, if there's any changes or whatnot. She sends me back a message that says there's a few things that she wanted to change. Within 24 hours, I submit the changes back to her. Days go by, I haven't heard from her. I reach back out to her again and she says, I like the revision that she's done. However, I don't feel like I should have to pay you the full amount because there were revisions made. That's the whole point of revision. In her mind, she believed that a copywriter should never have to make revisions. This goes on and on for like 2 to 3 weeks. Then eventually I said, you know, I feel like you're hustling me and I need my payment. She's not answering my phone calls. Eventually she blocked me from her phone. So I never received my money. And that was my first hard business lesson, that you should always have a contract. I don't care if it's a 1-pager. I don't care if it's 10 pages, but make sure you have something in writing so you get your money and so you don't have to deal with that.